So we're looking at disinfecting the air from vehicle cabins with the help of the engine. So by routing the airflow from the interior of the cabin through the engine, we can heat sterilize the air in the cabin and ensure an air exchange rate that's comparable with those used in hospital airborne disease treatment rooms.
What we are doing today is we rigged up the ambulance in our test cell, in our lab, you can call it, where we have a chassis dyno. And we're going to drive the car there, simulate driving in various driving conditions and situations, and see how is the vehicle behaving normally, as a normal ambulance would, and what the air exchange rate would be in the rear. And then we're going to make some adjustments to it to alter the airflow in the rear compartment, and see also how that is affecting the engine, because the engine will be an integral part of this function, this system.